Welcome back, XRP community, and thank you for joining us on another crucial market update. Today, we're looking at the latest developments across the crypto world with a special focus on XRP. We're starting to see signs of recovery across the board, but it's important not to lose sight of the ongoing geopolitical tensions. As of now, XRP is sitting at 2.5, and while the road to recovery is still long, things could certainly be worse. XRP is holding better than expected and trying to regain momentum. Bitcoin has reached 106,000 and Ethereum is hovering at 2,600. Other tokens like Hype have surged over 10% and even managed to break into the top 20 with a massive 30% move. Clearly, capital is returning to the market following last week's sharp decline, and while it's still early, this could be the start of a broader crypto rally. As always, we're keeping an eye on the utility token season, which may be approaching faster than many expect. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any key updates. Drop a like if you appreciate the work behind this content, and leave a comment with the hashtag XRP. Now, let's jump into the news. Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy has just purchased 10,100 Bitcoin for $1.08 billion. This massive acquisition is fueling today's recovery in Bitcoin and overall sentiment. When a giant like MicroStrategy accumulates at this scale, it triggers retail FOMO and more market action, pushing prices higher. We saw similar momentum at the start of the week, and this new buy only strengthens that narrative. Meanwhile, Vietnam has officially passed a law recognizing cryptocurrencies. This move is a major step toward legitimizing crypto assets and integrating them into the global banking system. By giving legal recognition, countries like Vietnam are laying the foundation for real crypto adoption and creating conditions for cross-border utility tokens like XRP to be used seamlessly in payments. This kind of regulatory clarity is exactly what banks need to fully integrate blockchain-based finance. In parallel, the European Commission is now open to accepting a flat 10% U.S. tariff under clear conditions. While trade tensions persist between the U.S. and the EU, this openness could pave the way for better stability across traditional and crypto markets alike. Trade resolution usually boosts market confidence, and that sentiment can easily spill over into crypto. On the regulatory front, China has largely settled its trade issues with the U.S., but some minor friction remains. If a broader deal is finalized, expect it to impact global liquidity and financial markets positively. Now, a huge statement from BlackRock. Their chief operating officer said that Bitcoin and crypto assets are poised to replace traditional capital markets. This is a pivotal quote, and it speaks volumes about the future of utility tokens like XRP. Everyone always mentions Bitcoin first, but the real shift is happening through use case-driven assets. XRP, with its ability to facilitate real-time, cross-border payments, is in a prime position to become part of that future infrastructure. BlackRock hasn't yet filed for an XRP ETF, but the signs are there. Industry giants like Franklin Templeton, Grayscale, and BlackRock are paying close attention to XRP and XLM. It's likely just a matter of time before an official filing is made. Some speculate that institutional players are still accumulating at lower prices before going public with their intentions. Market manipulation might be at play to keep XRP prices down temporarily. And now this. Trump's Truth Social platform has submitted filings for Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. With that in mind, the question remains, will we see an XRP spot ETF in the United States next? Leave your thoughts in the comments and let us know what you think. See you in the next one.